Hey guys, my name is Sarah Kay, and today's topic is gift giving. So as we enter the holidays, how do you know that you're giving a gift that's going to be really appreciated? Here's how. You get something that you would be excited to receive. I learned that from my mom when I was a kid, and I've taken that with me through the years. And here's the thing. If you are getting a gift for somebody who you don't know really well, just ask a friend, one of their friends, what they're into. Get them a gift card, write them a personal note, and voila, a really great gift. Now, I know gift card giving is debatable, but you guys comment below with what you think about this. Here's my thought. You've gone out of your way to find out what that person's into. And here's the thing that you gotta do. You gotta write them a personal note, write a little note, and then you've been generous because you've given them something. And so you've got kindness, thoughtful, and generous, all wrapped up into one. I don't know how that's not a super thoughtful gift. I don't know a teenager that doesn't really appreciate gift cards, right? I don't know an adult that doesn't appreciate being treated to something, right? How good does that feel? So don't overthink it. If you're stumped, gift cards. If you're not stumped, make sure, if there's something you love, if there's a product you love, or there's something that you've used on your kids and you're buying for somebody else's kid and your kid has loved it, get them the same thing, right? Share the love. It's the best way to do things, and it actually won't break the bank because your budget could be $5 or it could be $50, it could be $500. It doesn't matter. We all have little things that we love and appreciate, and so do other people. So when you are entering the holiday season, I hope that you find this little tip helpful. If you do, click like, and I'll catch you next week.